Head down to Pier 60 later with the kiddos. If you guys have never been to the channel before, we're a full-time RV family of 6 living in our little 18-foot wolf pup. Ooh, there it is. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to come along with us on our adventure. We would love to have you, and drop a comment if there's something specific you want to see. So we are heading down to Pier 60. Really excited to see what we're going to find down there. What do you think we're going to find? You think we're going to find some food? We're going to find food? Yes, food. Okay, so the kids wanted to take the stairs.
Apparently so. Alright, ready, set, go.
Some of these people have been out in the water and it's freezing cold. Like, what are you guys doing? Brr. So there's the water. It's a little chilly. Brr. So I'm definitely going to be putting my jacket on before we do this little movie experience. You need your jacket.
You have to climb that. Yes, yes.
Like this. Sure that high.
Hold it tight, don't
Hey guys.
What about you, Nathan? What are you eating? Alligator. What are you eating?
I'm eating a burger.
Hamburger. Mommy, what are you eating? Mommy is eating. What am I eating? Calamari with Caesar salad.
It's inside your drink.
I'm eating Cobb salad with salad.
What?
That's what makes it cold.
What you said?
You in there? Let me practice. Give me your finger.
What are you doing?
I'm practicing.
What?
I've never opened crab legs before.
I never did either. So here's yummy. Look at all this food. What are you doing over here?
Try to figure this thing out. Hang on. Well, I don't think I did it.
I don't even. I have no idea.
It's so squishy.
It's so squishy.
Kids don't play with your food. We're busy playing with ours.
Yeah, exactly. Because that's what we do.
Hello.
Is that good?
Hello.
Is it tasty?
Hello.
Hello. Okay, I guess that's a yes.
Hello.
Is it good? Yum, yum, yum. Oh, Nathan's like, I'm waiting for mine. Okay. Alright, Daddy, tell us how it tastes.
It's okay, I guess.
Did you dip it in anything?
I did.
Did you dip
Whatever
it?
that is.
Did you see them?
I can't even get it out myself.
Okay, hang on. Alright, Nathan.
I'm learning.
Nathan, eat your gator bite. Tell me how you like it.
I'm ready to eat mine. I'm ready. I got french fries.
Tastes like chicken.
Like what?
Chicken.
Tastes like chicken.
Is everything tasting alright?
Isn't that neat? What are you doing? I can't see you. So dark. So guys, we closed down the pier. Woo! Had some fun running on the beach a little bit. Did you have fun? So make sure to subscribe for more fun with the Vine family. No! What? Say, hey, say subscribe! Thanks guys, bye!